Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this lovely 2008 SUV in the Allure specification. It's this car we originally sold from new and have taken it back in part exchange. It's got a full service history with Howard's. It comes with 16-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, there's reverse parking sensors. Inside the car you've got half leather interior. This 7-inch touchscreen features DAB digital radio as well as Apple CarPlay and Bluetooth. And on top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers, cruise control, and the car is only £30 a year to tax. So let's have a look around. The car comes with a 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower. The car's done under 5,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.